How are amphibian lungs different from human lungs? Have you ever wondered how amphibians breathe differently than humans? The answer lies in their unique lung structure and function. Let's break it down. First, the structure of amphibian lungs is quite different from human lungs. Human lungs are complex organs with a network of bronchi and bronchioles. These passageways lead to tiny air sacs called alveoli, where gas exchange happens. In contrast, amphibian lungs are simpler and lack this extensive system. They are often described as more primitive compared to mammalian lungs. Next, let's talk about how these lungs work. Humans use a muscle called the diaphragm to help us breathe. This muscle contracts and relaxes to pull air in and push it out. Amphibians, however, do not have a diaphragm. Instead, they rely on muscles in their throat sacs to push air in and out of their lungs. This method is less efficient but works well for their needs. One of the most fascinating aspects of amphibian respiration is their dual respiratory system. Amphibians can breathe through both their lungs and their skin. This ability is especially useful when they are in water or when their lungs are not fully developed. Some small amphibians may not use their lungs at all. This skin breathing allows them to absorb oxygen directly from their environment. Additionally, amphibian lungs have another interesting function. They help amphibians stay buoyant in water. This is not a primary function of human lungs, which are focused solely on gas exchange. When comparing amphibians to reptiles and insects, these differences highlight how adaptable amphibians are to their environments. While reptiles and insects have their own unique respiratory systems, amphibians can thrive in both water and on land. Their ability to breathe through both skin and lungs is a key part of their survival strategy. In summary, amphibian lungs differ from human lungs in structure, function, and respiratory mechanisms. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the amazing adaptations of amphibians in their habitats.